The best way you can make 5 to 10K a month as a complete beginner. All you need is your phone or your laptop. And honestly, don't worry if there's too many people doing this, because probably 90% of the people who've watched this have already scrolled by. And the market for this side hustle is billions upon billions of people with high demand. So I'm about to walk you through this process. Like and save this video for later. And this whole process that I'm talking about is called affiliate marketing. Here's how you can get all set up. So the first thing you need to do is go to digistore24.com and start for free. Once you sign in, go to Marketplace. Once you're in there, go to the side and pick a niche that you are interested in. For this example, I'm gonna do fitness and health. Scroll through and find a product that you like with high popularity and a high commission rate. Once you find that product, click Promote Now. Once you do that, you'll get a custom link to promote that product. So if somebody buys that product through you promoting it, you will get a commission, which in this case, it would be $45 for every sale you make. My personal favorite type of affiliate marketing is high ticket affiliate marketing, where you promote expensive products and you make a higher commission every time you make a sale. I am an affiliate for a product that gives me up to $5,000 for every sale. That is how you fast track your way to wealth. If you guys are interested in affiliate marketing, make sure to comment below any kind of questions you have. I'd love to answer them for you. Also, my 7-figure mentor and I really love to help people get started with this. If you want that free training on affiliate marketing, comment below and I will personally reach out to you to help you get started.